Yo, it's Leo Messi spitting this speech once again. Number 8th Ballon d'Or. Shout out to my teammates, we've been on a journey together, in any kind of weather. Iniesta and Xavi, the tiki-taka masters. Dani Alves always charging forward much faster. Pika close it down, Busquets rolls the midfield. Jordi Alba seals the deal on the left flank for Real. Di Maria providing the dime. Sweet assist on a platter, Claude that's holding it down. No one gets past as a matter. Pass as a matter. Yo, pass as a matter. Pass as a matter. Can and I go way back. Been ride or die, homies for life together since young. Through all the joy and the strife. Shout out to Luisito, deadly striker, legend in his own right. His skills are beauty, that's right. Yo, forever making my mark on this game. Only classics come from those peaks. I learned so much from Lionel Messi. The park that Prince can't beat those peaks. Yo, Mbappe's speed is crazy. Neymar's skills are wild. Heygen's scoring ability destined to take over and wild. Mad respect to Cristiano. Yo, from the pushes us all farther, but understand it better. Thankful for Antonella, Ciro, Matteo, and Thiago, my heroes. Gracias, familia, amigos, worldwide band, so true diva of Argentina. We champions.